Hi, thank you for watching King and Queen. I'm the director, Yoh Komaya, and that's my actress, Tomoko Komaya, who's also my mom, and also Yukai Komaya, sister-in-law. And how we came to shoot this short film is very simple. It was self-quarantine time, and we got nothing to do. So I thought it was like maybe interesting to shoot something with my family and to remember this strange time in a very special way. My actors and actresses are not professional at all, but they did a great job, including my father, who played a zombie in the film. And also, I didn't want to exclude anyone in family, so I cast our family cat Noah-chan in the film, and also the little unborn baby in Yukari's belly back then. But now the little unborn baby is born, and he has a name, Rikun, and he's 2 months old, and he's healthy, and but he has no idea he already made a great debut in my short film.
Hola, participamos desde Japón. Gracias por ver nuestra peli.
撮影当時は季節外れの雪が降ってとっても大変だったんですけど、楽しい思い出ができました。この子がお腹の中にいるんだなっていうのを想像しながら楽しんでください。